So people, I kind of basically crashed the 6 Series. Come up with as many excuses as I want, but I can't because at the end of the day I crashed it, so it is what it is right now. So this is where it happened. Waiting for recovery right now. See some more from here. I can't help but laugh about it because it's weird. I wasn't actually driving silly or anything like that. But yeah, it's just funny that it's happened now, and the reality for me is I guess it's going to be a new video on how I'm going to have to repair this car. The alloy is completely messed up there. I think this is 3 pieces though, so I should be able to get this alloy repaired. Fingers crossed. Good thing is obviously where it happened, I could park up straight away to where the car is right now and just waiting for recovery. Well, actually I'm waiting for recovery, and I've got some people, well, my brother-in-law coming over with another BMW alloy and a jack and everything like that, because I think if I just get the tire changed, I should be able to drive the car. Obviously I got to check the extent of the damage and everything like that afterwards, but that's going to be afterwards. I got to see what I can do for it. Yeah, I'm just going to get it home basically, get it into the garage and look at everything, assess the damage, and yeah, so annoying, but what can I do? So I guess the good news of this is at the end of the day, I'm safe. My little cousins that were in the car with me, I've had someone up come and pick them up because I didn't really want them to stay in the car. But yeah, I'm okay. They're okay, and we got to park the car up straight away. I'm not in any danger or anything like that. That would have been even more annoying if I was blocking traffic or anything like that. And this actually all happened because I was on the way to show them the McLaren showroom. So that's really annoying. Don't like McLaren anymore. Actually, I do. From the wheel being hit, so I'm guessing the wheels got unbuckled and it was just catching there and the shock.
Oh, you put that tire on, let's see how it goes.
You guys probably feeling how it's grinding on it. From there to there. Yay. Check that out though.
You done fucked up. Oh wow. Is this a new trend?
Yeah man, this is how you get as low as you can with a car. No tire.
That looks mad, you know.
No tire at the bottom.
Yeah, that looks good.
Sick man.
Do for the rest of them.
Yeah. Bro, look at the ground.
Alloy scraping.
Yeah, the whole way along. It literally, there's no air in it. I drove it on top of the wood and it just went into the middle of it, so I was like, there's no point, so I jacked up the other side a bit more.
You can take the tyre off yourself, man. You don't need any shit.
Oh yeah. Kind of could do without this problem, but it is what it is. Right?
Oh, you got a bit of grass in your car as well?
Yeah man, he's doing some gardening as well.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, BMWs are really good for that, you know?
Yeah, really economic.
Yeah, they're very green for the environment. They look after the place. They should actually give me some money now. I did some gardening
It's
for
like a
them.
rally car almost.
Yeah.
Take it off-roading again.
Oh, my forearms! Bro,
What? Listen, I was doing some mad
No, go on.
cinematography and then now you're weak from rock
I'm
climbing.
sorry. Ordering gets you weak, man.
Take 2.
Is it on?
Yeah,
You sure? You didn't sound that...
the car's moving.
But it's on the jack stands now, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, silky.
I think. I can't see it.
Ah,
Yeah, boy.
okay, we'll leave it as that. Right. Oh, why you gotta just record it again, like?
No, I was making sure
Look
the
at how battered it is, man.
bit of grass over here. Oh yeah.
Now you are, yeah?
What?
I don't know. Are you filming? Oops. Look how much grip there is still on the tire as well. And look everybody, this bit here is battered. This bit kept rubbing against the shock. So that's why there's yellow there. Which doesn't make sense, because that's... I don't know how that bit's kind of buckled, but yeah. I'll change this, well, just gonna repaint this area. The shock looks okay. Looks straight still. The arms actually all look...
Wait, coming fast!
Are you blind? Why are you coming fast? No.
Is it bleeding?
Yeah. Is it bleeding? Yeah. Okay, you know what? I think my brake disc needs changing, you know. This is about to get expensive. More expensive than it needed to be. And I think I might just paint these. What do you think? Do you think I should paint them?
Paint them.
Paint them, yeah. Clean them up. Give the car a little bit of TLC now that I messed it up. It's a good way of saying sorry. And yeah. I actually think everything else looks fine. I might take the other side off just to are you having fun?
What does that say? Mist wurde iPhone. Oh. Basically the bottom bit says do not tow or lash, from what I could translate of my German.
Yeah, that's really good translation, you know.
Thank you. I'm
It's
good at
actually
German.
really impressive.
Yeah.
Right, okay, so this is, you know, I should get paid.
Ooh.
I really think I should get paid for
It looks like marijuana.
No. You wanna try it? No. No, okay. Never mind. Right. Shall I take off the other wheel and shit. I just realized in order to take off the other wheel I need to lower the car back down because we didn't loosen the nuts for it.
Yeah, you can still do it.
I can still do it actually. You could press the brake in it from inside the car.
Yes, hell it goes.
Yeah, buddy. Right, okay. Let's leave it there and seriously.
I also want to be a really good cameraman.
You can put your finger in there. My finger is in that gap.
It's a bit of madness.
A bit of. I'm gonna take this off because I bought these and I don't want to give it to them and then they put some random crappy one on and don't put this one on and then my car looks like it's not a BMW because this is obviously clearly the only thing that makes this car a BMW. This BMW.
Boomdala.
Boomdala, boomdala.
Focus.
Just click on me on the dots.
It's alright.
Get on me, yeah?
All these YouTube girls do this, innit? Look at my new makeup product.
Right, let's yeah, everything looks straight here still.
Oh, I think.
Don't say that, man. You get me scared.
What is this?
Oh yeah, I got engine oil leak. Don't worry, people. That will get fixed eventually.
Why have you got 8 litres of oil? Looks like someone's just gonna keep topping up.
That's what I got it for, innit? It's you know, engine leaks are actually a really good way. Let me
keep it fresh
I
oil.
wanna do this, yeah. So basically, oh, can't lighting here myself. Sorry. So good thing about having engine oil leaks is it means your engine oil is always kept fresh. You keep topping it up, and my eyes are up here. Excuse me. Up here. So, yeah. So if you here. Yeah, so by having an engine oil leak, you always have fresh engine oil being put into the... You're gonna pay attention, right? No. Look, attention. Look, I'm telling you, pay attention to me. Pay attention. And don't touch my light bulb. So yeah, don't rip into me about my engine oil leak. It's a sick car, okay, I love it.